Hey, are you trying to improve your nervous system, strengthen your vagus nerve? Well, I've been reading Jody Cohen's amazing book, Essential Oils to Boost the Brain and Heal the Body. And this is really making sense in how we really work on clients to feel their best, to live their best life, so they can thrive as they age and not struggle. So I highly recommend reading this book. And going with that, I've been using for a long time the parasympathetic blend from Vibrant Blue Oils. Also, I like to use the Fascia blend and combine that with the lymph blend. So these three oils, you can understand a little bit more if you read the book, but the smelling of oils really helps cross the blood-brain barrier. So you can just inhale maybe one nostril and then the other, and that's effective. The parasympathetic blend I've used for years and have all my clients get this. If you understand the vagus nerve and what it does, you can listen to all the videos I've done on the vagus nerve and the interviews with Jody. This blend is one of my favorites. Smelling it, put it on your hands, is breathing it in, but putting it right behind your ear and just applying it there towards the vagus nerve. Now, I will do this before sleeping at night, inhaling it and putting on the vagus nerve, as well as during the day if I feel anxious. Before people eat, I suggest applying this to get into the rest, digest, detoxification, heal, and repair nervous system, the parasympathetic. So understanding the role of these oils, listen to my podcast with Jody on Coach Debbie Potts' channel. But here's the thing. They are on sale for only $19.95, under $20. So use my code Coach Debbie Potts and learn more about essential oils and how you can apply them, learning more in Jody's book, how it can heal the body with oils along with the lifestyle habits, the exercise, nutrition. So let me know if you have questions, but check out Vibrant Blue Oils, use my code Coach Debbie Potts, and start working on improving your resiliency, because we cannot heal until our body feels safe. So learn more about the vagus nerve and how important it is to have improved vagal tone so we're more resilient. Order of operations working north to south. Let me know what you experience using these oils.